solution-focused therapy is practiced all over the world, across cultures, languages, and communities. At its core, SFT is flexible. It honors the client's voice, values, and worldview. And that makes it naturally suited for cross-cultural and global work. But with that flexibility comes responsibility. SFT practitioners must stay culturally sensitive, not assuming, not prescribing, but always listening and adapting. Cultural sensitivity in SFT means asking, not telling. What does success look like in your world? What traditions or values guide how you handle change? We don't assume what strength looks like. We discover it alongside the client. Because in different cultural contexts, resilience might show up as silence, or deference, or storytelling. We must be careful not to misinterpret these as avoidance or resistance. Instead, we ask, what would a helpful conversation sound like in your family or community? What role do your beliefs or background play in this challenge and in the solution? Language matters. So does translation. In many cultures, terms like miracle or scaling may need to be reframed. We adapt without losing the heart of the technique. Sometimes it's not about the words, it's about tone, rhythm, pacing. In some cultures, pausing before answering is respectful. In others, direct eye contact may be uncomfortable. SFT's client-led style helps us navigate this. We follow the client's lead. We slow down. We stay curious. Cultural sensitivity also means checking our assumptions. Not everyone wants independence. Not every goal is individualistic. In collectivist cultures, a preferred future might center around family, community, or ancestors. We align with that, not against it. We ask, if things were going well, what would others notice? How would your community see your progress? In global SFT work, humility is essential. We are not the experts in someone else's life. We are facilitators of discovery, nothing more, nothing less. That means creating space for multiple truths, for emotion to be expressed differently, for timelines to unfold at different rhythms. Even common tools like scaling must be handled with care. We ask, is this a helpful way to talk about progress for you? What would a more familiar version of this look like? And we're always learning from clients, colleagues, and cultures. SFT continues to evolve thanks to practitioners around the world, from Brazil to South Africa, from Japan to the UK. Each community adds something unique, and we listen. Cultural sensitivity isn't a checkbox, it's a lifelong practice. It requires openness, adaptability, and deep respect. When done well, it allows SFT to be not just effective, but relevant. Not just hopeful, but truly human. Because when we honor global voices in local contexts, we create space for every client to see themselves in the process of change. And that's where the real work begins.